You feel that familiar tightness in your chest as your thoughts start to race, a wave of anxiety washing over you. Let's acknowledge that it's here without judgment. This feeling is present right now, and yet, you press play today. That is proof that you are choosing peace over panic. That choice matters. For these next 10 minutes, there's nowhere else you need to be, nothing else you need to do. This time is just for you. Find a comfortable position. You could be sitting in a chair, feet flat on the ground, hands resting gently in your lap. Or you might be lying down, letting your body feel supported by the surface beneath you. Your back can be straight but not stiff, supported but not tense. Make any tiny adjustments you need. And when you're ready, allow your eyes to gently close. Let's begin with 3 deep cleansing breaths. This simple act signals to your body that it is safe to relax. Take a slow, deep breath in through your nose. Feel your belly expand. Hold it gently at the top. Now exhale through your mouth with a soft sigh. Imagine tension leaving your body with the breath. Again, inhale deeply. Fresh, calm air filling every corner of your body. Hold it for a heartbeat and exhale, releasing what doesn't serve you. One last time, your deepest breath today. Inhale, feeling alive. Exhale, feeling safe. Shoulders drop, body softens. Now let your breath return to its natural rhythm. You don't need to control it, just notice. Your breath is your anchor, a safe harbor, a place you can always come back to. If you're already feeling even a little calmer, type the word peace in the comments. It's a reminder that many of us are breathing together right now. Section 3, body scan and release, 4 to 7. Meditative, reassuring, warm tone. Let's bring gentle awareness to your body. Focus first on your toes. Wiggle them slightly, waking them up. Notice sensations, warmth, coolness, tingling, or maybe nothing at all. That's okay. With your exhale, imagine your breath traveling down into your feet, releasing any tension. Move into your calves and shins. With each breath out, invite them to soften. Your legs are supported, and you are supported. Shift awareness to your thighs and hips. Notice the solid support beneath you. Release into it. Allow your body to be held. Bring awareness into your back, lower back, mid-back, upper back. Each exhale loosens the grip of stress. Your spine is free to rest. Now notice your abdomen and chest. Follow the gentle rise and fall of your breath. Let it remind you, you are alive and you are safe. Travel down your arms, elbows, forearms, wrists, palms, fingers. Unclench your hands. Open your palms, a sign of release. Finally, shoulders, neck, and face. On your next exhale, let your shoulders melt downward. Unclench your jaw. Soften your brow. Allow your entire face to rest. Take a moment to feel your whole body. Soft, heavy, peaceful. Now that your body is calm, let's bring ease to your thoughts. Anxiety often feels like a flood of racing thoughts, but we don't need to stop them. We just observe. Imagine sitting beside a flowing river. Your thoughts are leaves drifting on the surface. Watch them appear and then float away. You don't need to hold them, just notice and release. Or picture yourself lying beneath a vast sky. Your thoughts are clouds, some dark, some light, but you are the sky itself, unmoved, expansive, peaceful. Between each thought, notice the quiet space that exists. That stillness is always here. It is the eye of the storm. And if your mind wanders 1,000 times, that's okay. Each time you bring it back to the breath, you grow stronger. You've made it almost 8 minutes into this practice. That's incredible. Every breath is proof that you can create calm inside the storm. Section 5. Return and Affirmation. 9 to 10. Now it's time to gently return. Notice the surface beneath you, fully supporting you. Feel the weight of your body, grounded and safe. Begin small movements. Wiggle your fingers, your toes. Maybe roll your wrists and stretch gently. Know this: the quiet you feel now is always available to you. Your breath can guide you back here anytime. Take one last, full, nourishing breath together. Inhale, calm. Exhale, gratitude. When you're ready, slowly open your eyes, returning to the room. If this meditation brought you peace, know you can return to it anytime, and you'll find more sessions waiting here for you. Be gentle with yourself today. You are safe, you are supported, and you are enough. Stay here for a moment, in this calm space you've created. There's no rush, no pressure. Just let yourself rest, supported by your breath, supported by this stillness. With each inhale, feel clarity and lightness. With each exhale, imagine the weight sliding off your shoulders, drifting away, no longer yours to carry. This quiet presence you feel now, it is always within you. You can return to it any time you need. Whether the day brings challenge or ease, your breath can bring you back here. Take your time. You don't need to move just yet. Stay as long as you like, resting in this soft awareness. And when you are ready, open your eyes gently. Carry this peace forward with you and continue your day feeling lighter, calmer, and free from the weight you no longer need. Thank you for choosing this moment for yourself. Be gentle with yourself today. You are safe, you are supported, and you are enough.